Hello guys, it's another video from the travel couple Chathu and Ishanka. So today we came to Maastricht.
Yeah, so Maastricht is one of the oldest cities in Netherlands. So today we are going to explore this amazing city. So it's a rare sunny day this winter. So we are going to fully use it today. And we just rented our bicycles and
All set to go.
yeah.
At the Maastricht city square, so it's a nice place to hang out with your friends.
Yeah, so all around here you can have various types of restaurants. So it's indeed a must visit when you're in Maastricht.
So now we are in front of two famous cathedrals in Maastricht, and this side it's St. Jan's Church, which is unique for its red color, and this is St. Servatius Basilica. We are going to take a boat ride in Meuse River, and this would be our boat, and let's see how it goes.
Yeah. So now we are going to start the boat ride. The boat will go near the Belgium-Netherlands border, and we'll circle back. So altogether they say like it will take around 50 minutes for the whole ride.
Yeah, in the meantime we are going to try out this signature Limburg pie
with hot chocolate. Yeah.
on Servaas bridge, and it's the oldest bridge in Netherlands.
Yeah, so it's a footbridge built in 13th century. So it's a very popular spot photos. So you can hang around here and take some nice photos.
So now we are going to explore the famous cave system in Maastricht.
Yeah, so these caves have been used during the Second World War. So there are guided tours that you can book to visit these caves. So now we are also going to try that out. So let's see.
A lot of those hills are very special because inside we have a lot of tunnel systems, like this one in the mountain of St. Peter. And you have to know all those tunnel systems have been made by people, by hand. They have been mined out. So this is actually a stone mine because the material they were after is this stone, which is called limestone or marl stone. This is one reason why the caves are so famous, because of the artwork. But you have to know, the artwork doesn't have to do anything with the mining or the miners.
At the St. Peter's Fort, which is built in hill area.
Yeah, so from here you can see a vast area of the Maastricht city.
This is Helpoort, which is considered as the oldest city gate in the Netherlands. A perfect end to a perfect day, so now we are going to enjoy our dinner. So guys, this is going to be the end of our visit to the beautiful Maastricht city in the Netherlands.
Yeah, so we had a great time here today. So hope you guys also like the video.
And stay tuned for another exciting vlog from the travel couple Chathu and Ishanka. So bye bye, until next time.
Bye bye.